Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm Augie F. This is the Royal Enfield Classic 350, and today we're going to talk a little bit about motorcycle tires. Welcome to the channel. While 2020 has somewhat prevented us from getting out on our motorcycles whenever we wanted to, it's given us time to take a step back, understand our machines, and learn to take care of them. With longer rides not being easy to plan because of the current situation, keeping our motorcycles ready for shorter, impromptu breakfast rides seems to be more realistic. Because of the number of kilometers I've been able to clock over the years, and with the different motorcycles that I've had the opportunity to ride, I've also had the opportunity to try out different types of tires. From my previous tire review videos, the one common question that I get in most of my DMs is, how do I know when I need to change my tires? Changing the tires of your motorcycle depends on factors like the depth of your tread pattern, the presence of cracks, ride quality, and more. And this video will help you understand the signs that you should look out for to know if a tire replacement is long overdue. Based on my experience, I've recommended a few important signs, but there's a lot of information out there around it. I've tested and suggested CEAT's Grip XL along with other tires over the years and shared my perspective with you. With your tires being the one point of contact between your motorcycle and the road, it's essential that you keep an eye on them and replace them whenever necessary. Here are a few simple checks that you can conduct to understand the amount of wear on your tire and decide if it needs to be changed. If you notice that your tire has uneven wear and tear marks, it's time that you consider a change. This can happen even when you've not been using your motorcycle. These cracks are similar to that of a rubber band, the ones you use at home. See, when it goes dry and you pull it, it usually breaks or snaps, and that's somewhat similar with tires too. Motorcycle tires do have oils in them to prevent that from happening over a period of time, especially when they've been stored for that long. They usually evaporate over a maximum period of 5 years, but it could happen earlier depending on their usage and the conditions that they've been stored in. What I've personally noticed is that the CEAT Grip XL tires usually have lesser cracks even when you've been riding for longer hours or heavy terrain such as mountainous regions. That's why they're the preferred OEM tires on offer for motorcycles like the Himalayan and the Xputs. The purpose of a tread line is way beyond design. It helps stabilize the motorcycle, especially on slippery surfaces. The tread line helps maintain the grip of the motorcycle on bad roads and even on good roads during heavy downpours. So if the tread line seems flatter than the original design, it's time to change. The easiest way to identify if the tread pattern's worn out is to look for the tire wear indicator, which will be in line with the initials TWI on the side walls of the tire. If the wear indicator is in line with or less than the recommended millimeters from the tire surface, it's time to change the tires. The hard compound in the center of the CEAT Grip XL tires and the deep angular block thread pattern allow it to grip well both on and off-road. Not just that, they even provide superior grip on wet and dry surfaces. When you intend to buy a tire, you need to check for the manufacturing date. It is advisable to look for tires whose manufacturing date is not more than 3 years, provided that they've been stored in the right conditions, of course. You can see the date of the manufacturing on the side wall of the tire. It's usually in a week and year format. Some tire shops stock their tires for years, and this affects the quality of the tire and the life of the tires too. Sometimes a bulge in the tire can also be a manufacturing defect. You must keep an eye out to avoid last-minute hiccups. So try and buy a tire that's not more than 3 years from the manufacturing date. Also, if you have faced many punctures or your tires are more than 3 years old, it's better that you change your tires for your own safety. The CEAT tire team conducts regular mechanic stock checks, and they ensure that they keep newer tires so that the consumers aren't at risk. This makes them some of the most trustworthy tires currently available in the market. The most important thing to keep in mind when changing your tire is understand the purpose of the same. The most common reason for tire change is either that it's worn out, used beyond expiry, or you're planning for a different kind of ride than you normally do. Usually stock tires have a simplistic tread pattern designed to help you ride well in the city and on regular roads. A grip tire like the CEAT Grip XL is an excellent tire for rough city roads, cruising and for basic off-roading too. So with these simple checks, you can be safe and enjoy your ride. In the next video from the series, we'll talk about how to select the right tire for your motorcycle. If you have any specific questions related to the tires or any CEAT related tire questions, do leave them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. As always guys, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.
Boss with a great bag, came up, you can't hate that. Self-made, you can't take that. Yeah, self-made, you can't make that. Some said I need a record deal, I need a cosign, I need a Dre track.